In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wix Premium plan for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and open the site that you are looking to upgrade. Once you've done that, you need to navigate to your site's dashboard, or alternatively, use the site editor. Here you should find an option labeled either Upgrade or Upgrade to Premium. This is typically located in the top menu or within the sidebar, so keep an eye out for those labels. Clicking one of these will be your gateway to accessing the premium plan options. Next up, you'll see a list of available premium plans that Wix has to offer, ranging from light, core, business to business elite. Each plan is tailored to different needs, so it's essential to consider what features and services best suit your website's requirements. Once you've decided on the plan that aligns with your needs, go ahead and click Select on that particular option. Now you'll need to choose your billing cycle. Wix offers monthly and yearly billing options. While both options might suit some users, I highly recommend going for the yearly plan if you're looking for better value, as it tends to offer significant savings compared to the monthly rate. Once you've settled on your billing cycle, click Continue to Checkout. At this point, you'll be asked to fill in your payment details. These will include standard information like your credit card details or another preferred method of payment. After you've checked everything carefully and submitted your payment information, you can finalize your purchase. After successfully completing the purchase, your site is immediately upgraded to the premium level. This means you'll be able to connect your domain, remove any Wix ads that were previously on your site, and enjoy the additional benefits that come with your chosen plan. If you ever want to switch or upgrade your plan at a later date, Wix makes this straightforward. Simply use the upgrade interface again to adjust your membership, whether it's an upgrade or a downgrade to better suit evolving needs. Keep in mind, the plan renews automatically unless you choose to disable auto renewal in your account settings. Remember, Wix also offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind in case you change your mind and wish to explore a different plan or service. And there you have it. Upgrading to a Wix Premium plan is really as simple as that. Enjoy all the new features and customization options that come with your premium upgrade.